From anywhere on the screen, clicking the watch list menu item brings up a watch list menu. Watch list can be created at the issuer level or at the bond level. And to get started, we have an existing one, which can be deleted or edited with a click of the mouse. And then you can create a new watch list and give it a name. And then add issuers via the menu. The search function works quite well. And there you go. You have an issuer watch list with functionality that exists across the board with outside of the watch list. Create a bond watch list, much the same set of steps. You name and you search by issuer and pick the bonds that you would like to add. And there you have your list, which can be further bonds can be added as you go, and you can manage and edit the list quite easily.